Windshield wipers are vital that help keep you safe on the road. When neglected, dull wiper blades can cause problems during a sudden rain. Here are few tips to help ensure your wipers are always ready to go. Clean windshield before using wiper. Windshield wipers tend to leave marks on the windshield if operated on dusty windshield. Keep the windshield clean. Wiper blades will wear more quickly if they wipe across unclean or dirty glass. For better life of wiper blades, clean windshield frequently, but make sure the sponge or paper towel is free from dirt. Never run the wipers on the dry windshield. Windshield wipers are designed to be used when the windshield is wet. Operating them on the dry surface can cause the wiper to wear out much more quickly than normal. Always fill the wiper tank with good quality of water, and you can also add wiper shampoo to enhance the visibility and the life of wiper blades. Using good quality of water will not block the wiper nozzle and hoses. Replace the blades at least twice a year. Wiper blades are designed to last about 6 months. After that, you will start to notice a decline in visibility. So inspect and replace it for better visibility and safer driving. Lift the wipers. Always lift up the wiper blades when the vehicle is unused for more than a week. Hope this video will be useful for you. Give a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching and stay safe.